Law and Order Special Victims Unit, stands as a significant television institution since 1999, focusing on detectives tackling heinous crimes in New York City. The series has garnered attention for its dark storylines. Key rankings highlight notable episodes, such as Countdown, where detectives race against time to save a victim from a serial killer. Dominance uncovers a quadruple homicide with disturbing twists. Episodes like Dreams Deferred showcase strong performances with layered storytelling. Rhodium Nights presents a gripping three-part mystery. Lost depicts attorney Cabot's life-threatening challenges against a drug cartel. Each selected episode reveals the series' signature style, intricately blending tension, character development, and impactful narratives, redefining crime drama on television.